I'm going to show you how to restart Windows 10 in safe mode. Just click on start icon, then click on settings. It will open Windows settings window. Now in the search bar, we need to type recovery options. Okay. From the search results, click here to open it. Now in the advanced startup, we need to click on restart now. So it will take some time, and we are now on the blue screen. So click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. So now here we need to click on restart. Again, we need to wait for some time, and from this window we need to type F4 to go into the safe mode. Type F4, and here we go. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.